Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a lovely 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom house in the community of Orange Bay, Hanover, located just 10 minutes from Negril. This house is ideal for a one-family house, but can easily be separated into two separate living quarters with their own kitchen and own entrance. There is a drive-in garage and a washroom. 4 of the 5 rooms are already equipped with AC units. There is a rooftop gazebo as well. The land area of this house is approximately 5,016 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican, 28 million or US. $181,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.